Welcome, today I am in Fiat 500 and I will show you how you can find and set up Equalizer in this car. So at the first we have to go for the media, right here, and next we have to tap on the audio. Right now we have to pick Equalizer, and let me turn on music so you will sound. You will hear how the sounds change. Okay, so take a look. Here we can adjust treble, mid and bass by tapping on the plus or minus. So as you can hear, that's how the change sound. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.